out from my window. Sun's coming up like the day before. You're like a stone on my pillow.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome. I am so happy you decided to join me today. Today I am posting a video about basically getting my house caught up. As you can tell, my house looks like a bomb went off. We had just gotten back from camping, so there was stuff all over the place, and I needed to unload a lot of stuff, unpack a lot of stuff, which you will see me do. I did do this over the course of 2 nights. I've mentioned before that my son still goes to daycare. However, my husband and I have made the decision to pull him out, so he is home full time now. If you saw my other video, you know we just got a puppy, so it has been a ton of work lately, and the house has definitely been a little bit neglected over the last few days, so my job today was to get all of that remedied. So I started off with unloading this food trunk. This is just food that we had taken camping, so I wanted to put what was still good into the pantry and kind of organize that a little bit better, and also wipe out the container that all of the food was in for our camping tote.
You don't have to wake up yet. We can spend all day in bed. I'll put the TV in the room. We'll have a Netflix marathon. Kenny G saxophone. We'll order in a bunch of food. I'll put your favorite music on all the way baritone. Shut the lights, go infrared. We can spend all day in bed. I'll put the TV in the room. We'll have a Netflix marathon. Kenny G saxophone. We'll order in a bunch of food. I'll put your favorite music on all the way baritone. Shut the lights, go infrared.
Now I think I've showed this before, but for some reason our dish drying rack always gets like this buildup on it. So I did want to go ahead and take some wipes and just get that cleaned off. I had just cleaned this like the day before, so I don't know what it is. It just happens. It is what it is. It's probably just because this is a cheap drying rack. I don't know, but I decided to go ahead, clean that off, put it away, and clear the countertops. You will see me wipe down a few random bags. That's because they were out on tables while we were camping, so they definitely had dust on them, and I just wanted to give them a quick wipe down.
Shine so bright, I wish that I could close my eyes and drift into a comforting sleep as I lie here beneath my sheets, thinking about what could have been and all the moments that I've missed. One thing that I'm sure of is that you are the one, the only one for me.
Now there were so many like fingerprints and just gunk and grime all over this refrigerator, so I decided to go ahead and take a wipe first to it. I am using the 7th generation wipes, and I gave that all a good clean, and then after that I did go back with the stainless steel cleaner in order to get all the streaks out. However, my camera battery died, and for whatever reason I had forgotten to charge my spare battery, so I decided to go ahead and pick it up the next day, which honestly turned into the next evening. So I went ahead and started the next evening in my living room. We just have been having wild days. I've said it before, but my son is so crazy. He's got so much energy. He's all boy, and we definitely struggle throughout the day. However, I feel like we're getting into a better routine, at least with him, which in turn hopefully will allow me to develop a better routine for myself.
I do worry over every situation, the feel of desperation. All that matters now is that I really know that you are the one, the only one for me. Back at me, I don't know what happened. Guess we weren't meant to be. I know we had problems, I thought we could fix them, but we got tired. There's nothing left to do but to say goodbye and try to move on. I'll get over you, only wish that I knew how to go on. Baby, you and me, we're so messed up together. Even if we tried, we'd be stuck here forever. I don't understand right now how to make it through, but I'll get over you, and it's not like I'm gonna hate you. It's what it is, nothing left that we could do. Even though it hurts right now, we will make it through. I'll get over you. I'll get over you. Back when I met you, we were like fireworks. Thought nothing could break us, but oh how we got burned. Look at us now, we scream, we fight, and no one knows the reason. We're both getting out of line. Now say goodbye and try to move on. I'll get over you, only wish that I knew how to go on. Baby, you and me, we're so messed up together. Even if we tried, we'd be stuck here forever. I don't understand right now how to make it through, but I'll get over you, and it's not like I'm gonna hate you. It's what it is, nothing left that we could do.
Now, I did have a ton of dishes to do. This was a full load. I definitely need to get better about loading the dishwasher up as we go. However, for whatever reason, when I have clean dishes in the dishwasher, I struggle so bad with putting them away. I don't know why. It's definitely one of my least favorite chores in the house. My husband typically takes care of it. However, like I said, we've been crazy busy, and he works the graveyard shift, and it just gets to be so challenging managing our time sometimes. So I had told him not to worry about it, that I would do it, but even though I had offered to do it for him, I was still lacking motivation. So I decided to tackle it this night and just get the dishes taken care of. Hopefully I can keep up with them a lot better.
Right now how to make it through, but I'll get over you, and it's not like I'm gonna hate you. It's what it is, nothing left that we could do. Even though it hurts right now, we will make it through. I'll get over you. Ooh, I'll get over you. Oh, I'll get over you. makes me feel this way. Don't know what you do. Hold my hand, could you hold my hand? Look me in the eyes. You and me, yeah, that's all I need. And I'll be alright. I'll be right here. I swear that I'll stay here with you.
Now here you will get a sneak peek of this closet. This closet is so bad right now, you guys. So this is definitely one of my next videos that I'm going to be coming out with. I already bought like storage containers for it, and honestly, I should have done it a while ago. I started to kind of organize it out off camera, but because I had only done part of it, it ended up blowing up again and becoming a disaster again. So I definitely plan on recording me getting this closet picked up, cleaned up. It's definitely kind of a catch-all closet where we shove a lot of things that don't really have places. So it definitely needs a lot of organization.
I'm giving you my love, giving you my love, love. Tell me what you wanna do. I'll do.
But that wraps up today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. And if you are new, I would love for you to subscribe to my channel. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.
I'll be right here. I swear that I'll stay